So, I did a little bit of digging and research on this cargo ship siege. First things first, that happened about a month ago. And according to their very short summary, that this alleged cargo ship allegedly was coming from China to Iran and allegedly had components in the cargo that allegedly contributed to Iran's weapons infrastructure. And allegedly, when they seized said cargo ship, they destroyed the components of the cargo before allowing the ship to continue on to its journey, which would actually check out and make sense because our tyrannical government thought ahead. They knew that they was going to intercept some very valuable cargo, or in this case, tankers. They was going to head straight to Iran, which makes sense to them to intercept this cargo ship heading from China in the Indian Sea to Iran to destroy components, to pretty much dismember and decrease the usage of Iran's military weapons resources, because they knew if they didn't, that they would have received some type of serious retaliation. Just my opinion and just my speculation. Because look, a month ago, this cargo ship got intercepted. The components got destroyed that contributed to Iran's weapon infrastructure. And then earlier this week, you had this tanker that was pretty much hijacked from the Venezuelans waters, that was getting ready to transport this sanctioned oil to Iran. So it absolutely would make sense for them to think ahead and do this calculated move ahead of time, because our government knows the enemies it has created. And there you have process of elimination.